Kept waiting in the boat of Chiu-k'ou at 10 days by an adverse wind, by Chu I. White billows and huge waves block the river crossing. Wherever I go, danger and difficulty. Whatever I do, failure. Just as in my worldly career I wander and lose the road, so when I come to the river crossing I am stopped by contrary winds. Or fishing in the prawns, sodden in the rain, the smell fills my nostrils. With the stings of insects that come with a fork, my whole body is sore. I am growing old, time flies and my short span runs out, while I sit in a boat at Chiu-k'ou wasting 10 days.